We're here today showing off our unified communication platform and mobility as well. So trying to create solutions that will help customers save money and stay connected in the mobile workforce. First, we have our Director software. It's our single point of management. Allows you to completely manage your network up to 500 sites from a single web interface. As long as you're connected to the network, you can admin your phone system. We also have our mobile solution. Our mobile solution allows you to stay connected to the corporate enterprise with all of your telephony features, transfer, conference, voicemail, no matter where you are, whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi network in a hotel or maybe a remote office or even at your home. But it allows you to transition to your to the cellular network as well in the event that no Wi-Fi is available. What you're seeing here is our ShoreTel Director. It's our one point of administration for the entire unified communications system. From this single web interface, I can manage all of the locations. You'll notice here we have a couple of different sites. Allows us to do troubleshooting, so we use a simple stoplight mentality, red, yellow, and green. Next we have our ShoreTel Communicator, which is our award-winning desktop user productivity tool that allows you to control your telephone from your PC. What you have in front of you is the Windows version of it. From here, I can simply see the last 1,000 phone calls that I've made, I've received, or that I missed. I can also have a buddy list of all of the different people in the system where it'll get real-time presence. So for example, I see Jason has a red dot. If I hover over it, it tells me that he's out of the office. But if I look at Matt has a green dot, and if I wanted to call Matt, I'd just simply click on him and it would go ahead and launch a call indicated up here. Once Matt answered, I'd be able to simply put him on hold. I could transfer the call, or I could even conference in somebody else from the software. This is actually our new conference phone, IP655, with the omnidirectional mic up here, plus the satellite microphones. We're able to provide full duplex speaker services to a large conference room. The phone has a full 12 line appearances or programmable buttons, along with a tactile screen. So as I make a selection on the screen, I actually get haptic feedback indicating that I'm pushing buttons. So from here I can access, for example, the corporate directory, where I'll be able to scroll through and we can try to look for Will, who was just recently added to our system. Well, as I scroll down, I realize Will is at the end of the list, so I can pull up a regular keyboard and I can begin to type Will's name, and it'll actually jump right to Will's extension. By selecting his name, it'll launch a call to Will across our full duplex speakerphone. From here, I can simply mute the phone out. We also have extended mics, satellite mics, that we can use as well. So this would be if I had any voicemails. Debbie doesn't have any voicemails on her phones, but I have a full indication of all my voicemails that are on the system. The last thing I'll talk about is our ShoreTel mobility solution. His Call is a proud ShoreTel mobility authorized reseller, and the mobility solution allows me to use my cell phone as my corporate extension. So by simply clicking the orange ShoreTel mobility button here, you'll notice that I have just a standard looking Android dialer interface, but I also have my extension. I also have two icons indicating that I have a secure connection across a SSL network. Now from this interface, I'm able to just simply dial a 4-digit extension as if I was sitting in my office. When I select dial, it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi network indicated by the icon up here, and it's going to launch that call to the internal extension. Now, in the event that Wi-Fi wasn't available, or if I was to walk out of range of the Wi-Fi, I could actually hand this call over, and it will transition over to the cellular voice network. As the call ends, I can just simply end the call like I did before, and allows me to stay connected. Also have presence built into this as well. But the key here is that it allows me to hide my cellular extension. So even if I dial a regular 10-digit number, the call looks like it's coming from my corporate extension and not my cell phone.